Hey there, how's it going everybody? In this video, we're gonna learn iframes in HTML. So let's get started. And if you wouldn't mind, please help me out by smashing the like and subscribe button. In HTML, iframes are used to embed another source within our web page. Iframes are commonly used for advertisements, but we have to be careful because it can be also used for hacking purposes. So to add an iframe tag, we have to use an angle bracket and then we have to write iframe. Then we can close it. So to specify our web page that we're trying to embed, we have to come to our first iframe tag and then we have to write src, which stands for source. Now we can click this button. So for this example, let's use Google. So here I put the URL of Google, but in our web page we can see Google is refused to connect. So as I said before, to prevent hacking, Google does not allow their web page to be embedded to any web pages. Although we're not trying to hack any website, but I found a website that actually lets to embed to our web page. So let's change the URL to the Bing's URL. There we go. Now in our website, we can now see we have Bing's web page. I think we should probably fix the width of it. So to do that, we can come to our first iframe tag and then add our width attribute. And we can set the width to, let's say, 800 pixels. And we can set the height as well to 500 pixels. So now in our web page, we can now see we have embedded Bing's web page to our web page. So we can also embed our own web page. So let's see how to do it. So first of all, we have to create another HTML document. We can do it by right-clicking here and then clicking new file. So let's make it an advertisement and put our name as ad.html. And in our ad.html, if you're using Visual Studio Code, you can type an exclamation mark and then hit enter. Now in our body, we can write something. And let's say we want to write some advertisement. So let's write subscribe to Code Dude. So now we have our advertisement ready. So now if we come back to our index.html, and now we can embed our other web page by using the iframe tag again, and then adding a source attribute to our first tag. And inside, as these two files are next to each other, we can just write the name of this file. And now in our web page, we can now see the other document we just created, and it says subscribe to Code Dude. So yeah, that is how our iframe works in HTML. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it and want to appreciate my effort, you can click the like button and subscribe if you think HTML is fun.